Checkbox 6SX, we're between Milepost 126, 126, and Milepost 8787, Barrett Sub Main. Checkbox 80HHD, John Authority between Milepost 126, 126, and Milepost 8787. Joint with E. Brodnich. That's E. Brodnich between Milepost 110, 110, and Milepost 8787. 30S2 2W boxes marked 6SIX 80HHD, over.
Authority 8405, 8405, Indian 3313, 3313, at Ladysmith, checkbox 6, SIX. Work between milepost 126, 126, and milepost 8787 on Barrett Sub Main, checkbox ATHHD. Joint authority between milepost 126, 126, and milepost 8787. Joint with E. Brodnich between milepost 110, 110, milepost 8787. Authority has two TWO boxes marked 6 SIX and ATHHD, over.
8405, 8405, 2 2W boxes marked 6SIX 80HHD is located 806, 0806, DJR, over.
8405, 8405 with two TWO boxes marked 6 SIX and ATHHD is okay at 806, 0806, DJR, Jake, over.
3313, all correct, over.
All correct, okay, thanks. We'll talk to you when we get back to Ladysmith, over.
Okay. This 13 RTCO.
Alright, we are halfway through the third week of first month of 2026. It is January 21st, 2026. CN Hayes here. Current time right now is 8:07 as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith. Only Canadian Nationals, Barrett Sub Main, and Milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. This looks to be today's L5 1981 of the 21st with the excuse me, solo C6M rebuild of the 3313 that you just saw there. That one was previously built as -9 2564. Wells Fargo 805 709 to bring up the last of it. All sand empties to drop off. I got a feeling they're going to Poskin to drop those off. And as you heard on my scanner there, they just received authority on the Barrett Sub Main, and that was track authority 8405 issued to a CN 3313 here in Ladysmith. So we're between Milepost 126 and Milepost 87. How about that? Not bad at all. So that's gonna do it for today's L5 1981 of the 21st for now. And we'll check out the return later on this morning or maybe in the early afternoon. So that's going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.